Welcome to 125 Cambrian Way, a new standard of luxury living in Burlington, Vermont. Here, every detail is designed to elevate your lifestyle. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by elegant finishes, expansive windows, and light-filled interiors that bring the outside in. Spacious, open-concept layouts blend comfort with modern design, creating a place that feels like home the moment you arrive. Step outside your door and discover inviting shared spaces, including a beautifully landscaped patio that's perfect for gathering with neighbors or enjoying a quiet evening outdoors. And when it's time to head out, location is everything. Just minutes from Burlington's downtown and waterfront, 125 offers instant access to the city's best, from restaurants and shops to bike paths and boardwalks along Lake Champlain. Professionals will love the unbeatable convenience to top employers, including the University of Vermont Medical Center, the University of Vermont, and local tech companies. Whether you're enjoying an evening on Church Street or a quiet morning on your private balcony, 125 Cambrian brings you the best of Burlington, right at your doorstep. This is refined Vermont living, close to everything and designed for the way you live today.